Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Alex and I post videos about all things print on demand. In today's video, I'll actually be sharing my June Redbubble earnings and analytics with you guys. June was actually a pretty good month for me, so if you guys want to see exactly how much I earned and what I sold to get that amount, then stay tuned until the end. And since you're already here, feel free to click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up so that you can keep getting more of my content right to your newsfeed. I always appreciate the support I get from you guys, so something as simple as a quick like or a subscribe really helps my channel a long way and probably more than you guys think. So if you've been watching me for a while and haven't quite committed to the subscribe button, today's your sign that it's time. And of course, thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. But now let's get into the video so you guys can see what I earned in June. Alright, so we're gonna start off strong and go straight into my earnings. So in June, I ended up earning about 600. Whoa, no, I definitely read that wrong. I ended up earning 361 US dollars. I'll put the exact amount on the screen here. And that's been the highest for a little while now, so definitely happy with that. And since I'm Canadian, as you guys know, I ended up getting a little bit more than that in my bank account because of the conversion rate. So when it ended up hitting my bank account, I got about 431 Canadian dollars. So not too bad for a month on Redbubble. So now that you guys know exactly how much I made, let's snoop around into my analytics and see what I sold and what were some of the best sellers for that month. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm in my dashboard here and I'm going to go into my payment history just to show you guys the exact amount that I got. So as you can see here, June 2021, 361.73 US dollars, and now I'm going to go into what I sold. All right, so I'm just going to go back to the June, or actually, sorry, May. First item, actually May 13th might have snuck in there, so we might have had a duvet cover. I don't know if that one processed for the May payment, but that was actually 44 bucks, so that is a nice one. But after that we had an art print, 4 bucks, a classic t-shirt. So for people that actually ask if I sell t-shirts of my items, and some are actually skeptical that people would want to buy t-shirts with photography on them, they do sell, and actually more than you would think. Like, I do sell a lot of clothing like dresses, scarves. You'd be surprised, so don't ever count any item out. Even if you do photography, still upload your stuff to clothing items. Some stickers, posters, pin buttons, another graphic t-shirt. There you go, 2 in the matter of like 1 week. Laptop sleeve, iPhone case, another t-shirt. Okay, I think this might be my highest t-shirt month from what I see. And this one's an active t-shirt. I actually don't know if I've sold that one before. Yeah, I don't remember seeing that one. And then we have another phone case. Actually, I just want to see. The active t-shirt is pretty good price, $9.39, and then how much is a regular t-shirt? We have graphic here for $9.41. Okay, so about the same amount. Then we had the bath mat. That's a good one. Ooh, okay, so we had a canvas print right after that, which was a really good one. It was 32 bucks. And then this one above here, I got a $25 profit. What's that one? Oh, okay, another canvas print. So it looks like that was the same person. Definitely appreciate that. And I was telling you guys, I sell a lot of clothing too. So this one is a graphic t-shirt dress. So that's pretty cool with the ocean blue shore waves. Which one's that actually? I don't even remember. Oh, okay, yeah. So that one would look cute on a dress. Especially for like vacations or just, you know, if you like the beach, it's cute clothing. And then we have a spiral notebook of summer Hawaiian beach landscape. Oh my God, is that my first sale for that one? Okay, I have to tell you guys, this is like one of my favorite photos that I've taken and that I've posted on print-on-demand sites, and I was a little sad when nobody was buying it because I thought it was amazing and I was like, why wouldn't anyone want it? But I just got a sale for it, so I'm really happy about that. I'll have to go and check if I've had sales on it before, but I hope that one starts doing better because I really like it. I'm sure you guys know that I kind of feel bad for my artwork that doesn't sell, especially when I really like it. You guys are probably the same, but I'm glad that one's catching up. Oh my God, another classic t-shirt. I don't know what was up with that month and t-shirts. Some more phone cases. An acrylic block. Acrylic blocks always surprise me that the profit is so much. Like for this one, I got $6, and they're such a small item that you wouldn't think it'd be that much, but I guess they're more pricey. Oh my god, another t-shirt, you guys. I can't believe this. I think this has to be my highest t-shirt month, or at least one of them. Throw pillow, bath mat, 2 tapestries or tapestries, still don't know the right way to say it. Another high profit item here, so 22 bucks, 12 bucks. What's this $15 one? Oh, an A-line dress, you guys, oh my god, and a premium t-shirt. That's so funny because I was just talking about how like people think these don't sell, but here we go, the proof is in the pudding. Okay, so that's probably it for June sales. Like, I'll wrap it up around June 13th, which hilariously enough, the last one I probably got was another t-shirt and then some kids clothing. How much is that? Okay, yeah, so there you go. That is a breakdown of what I sold in June. Let's go into my dashboard just to check some of the other stats. So it's too late to check the stats, but I'll make a little slide right here to show you what my top 3 selling designs were in case you guys were curious. All right, so here we have traffic sources. Okay, so in June, it actually increased from May, which makes sense because I had more sales in May. Comparing the types, it really didn't change much. I think each of them just grew by a little bit, as you can see here. Although direct shrunk a little bit, so. Okay, social media was higher in June, which is kind of what made up for it. But yeah, otherwise it was pretty similar to May. And my shares, let's see, my shares were a bit higher in June compared to May. So in May, I didn't have as much social media shares or Redbubble shares. Actually, all the shares went up in June. So yeah, that accounts for that. It's nice to keep an eye on this stuff, but once again, I don't really look at it too much, but it's just interesting to see from an analytics perspective. But yeah, that's all I have for this part, so let's get into my goals. So those were all of my analytics. I hope that helped show you guys an insight of what I'm selling, what's doing well, and what type of designs are doing well on my store at least, so you kind of get a hint for what's popular and what might be trending. I do have my June goals from last video, my May earnings, if you guys want to check that out. So I did say I want to post, I can't remember, I believe around 20 new designs, or 10 or 15. So I can't remember exactly, but I did want to post between 10 to 20 new designs, and I'll see by the time this video uploads how much I ended up doing. I'll link it here and show you guys some of my new designs on the screen, but I know I will at least get 10, so I'm definitely on track for that one. And I didn't post any trending designs yet, but I did make some designs for another video that I'll be launching soon, so once that's up, I'll release those designs as well. So that kind of counts because I did it, but I just didn't want to release it before the video. So we'll mix that into kind of a July goal. But for July, I do want to keep it simple because I have a lot of things going on and I won't have as much time to film. So I'm just gonna say I'm going to upload 10 new designs of any type of design to Redbubble, and let me know what your goals are for July. I was actually thinking maybe next month we could all do like a 1-month challenge for uploading designs, and I'm not exactly sure what the challenge would entail yet, but maybe like specific type of designs every week, or just have like a goal of a certain amount of designs every week and then kind of check in with you guys and see how you're doing. Let me know if you guys like the sound of that and if you'd be interested in doing that. But I felt like it was just a good way to kind of grow everyone's store a little bit, including my own, and keep us all accountable with each other. I know that when you're doing something as a group and you have people actually like seeing if you're gonna upload, it definitely motivates you and keeps you accountable. So yeah, let me know if you guys would like to start something like that. I think it'd be fun and a great way to do something fun with my community here on YouTube. But that's all I have for today's video, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with all of my latest updates. Other than that, that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.